Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Audi A4 rear brake pads. First, gather your essential tools, including a jack stands, a lug wrench, and a diagnostic tool for the electronic parking brake. Ensure your Audi A4 is on a level surface and the parking brake is disengaged. Loosen the lug nuts on the rear wheels before lifting the car, then use your diagnostic tool to retract the electronic parking brake for safe removal. Once the car is safely supported, remove the wheel completely. Next, locate and remove the two caliper retaining bolts. Gently slide the brake caliper off the rotor, being careful not to let it hang by the brake hose. Support it with a hook or wire. Now, you can easily slide the old brake pads out of the caliper bracket. Take a moment to inspect your brake rotor for any deep grooves or uneven wear. Before installing the new pads, clean the caliper bracket thoroughly and apply a thin layer of brake grease to all contact points. Carefully insert the new brake pads into the caliper bracket, ensuring they fit snugly. Now, reposition the brake caliper over the new pads and rotor, then reinsert and tighten the retaining bolts to the manufacturer's specified torque. Finally, use your diagnostic tool to reset the electronic parking brake. With the new pads installed, reattach the wheel and tighten the lug nuts to the correct torque specification. Before driving, pump the brake pedal repeatedly until it feels firm. This helps seat the new pads against the rotor. Drive your Audi A4 slowly in a safe, open area to test the brakes, ensuring they respond smoothly and effectively. Lastly, check your brake fluid reservoir and top it off if the level is low.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.